What up, guys? So we're doing another rewatch here of last night's game. This is going to be the Battle Royale. Before I press play, just a couple things that I'm noticing with the game. Let it go, that way I can move. So we've got Joel right here. This is the major fight point. We can see that Sam has just a ton of stuff for military. He's actually walled off this corner. He's probably going to wall off the whole area, is my bet. We see that Sam has much more of a wall than Larry does. Larry's got all of this going on. Looks like Larry's wanting to punch first is kind of what Larry's thinking. On the other side, we've got, again, there's Joel's base. Here's Taylor. So Taylor's got 2 castles up here. Chase has 1. Chase has a ton of stables. That's what they are. Here's Chase's base. We see that Taylor is very walled off. Tanner is not walled off at all. And there's 15 seconds left. So that was interesting, worth watching. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit because the fighting has happened here. On this side, I'm just loading up archers. We see that there's nothing in the lake here. Taylor's got his onagers coming. The defensive lake, both Chase and Taylor have stuff for the defensive lake. And on this side, we're getting ready to roll. Let's look at it. I want to watch more of Larry and Taylor. So Larry has 70 farmers and 90 woodcutters. It's really high. It's impressive. I don't know what that does compared to Sam. Sam has 22 guys on food and 100 on wood and 60 farm guys. So that's holy cow. So he's not even thinking about food. And we're cutting around. And they're through. So the fight has started on this side. He took out that first wave. Larry's in love with the Slavs right now. He's all about them. Nossen's just throwing trash, and here goes Sam. And have they walled off this back area? They've walled off a side, they've put a bunch of buildings in. They haven't completely walled it off yet, but they will. So Larry and Taylor were ready on this side, is what it looks like to me. On this side, we're just kind of sitting here playing with our dinghies, but I'm starting to cut in. Oh, oops. So Shiz is crazy over here. This is a much more entertaining side, I think. Well, we can see I'm cutting around, and Taylor's noticed it. I can see it. Oh, maybe they can't see it. Gosh dang it, Tanner, you idiot. But this is really frustrating because I cut through, right? And I really didn't play it right, which is fine. But I get just to right there and notice the castle's getting me, and I need to get one layer off. So that happens, and Chase is ready. It's lame. Would have liked to have gotten through, because then they're going to cut through in a minute, but we just kind of sit and stare at each other some more. All the while, Taylor's shown up with a force up here. This is one of those times that I think maybe instead of, more champions is exactly what I would put in. It's still more trash. And Larry's trying to take out those castles. I would say that Sam needs to try the Ethiopians. I think that he'd like their onagers a lot. Being an onager connoisseur. Not that the Celts are bad, but my favorite onager is the Ethiopian onager. I think that they murder better than anybody else. So let's check what's going on this side. So they're through, and Chase is just bringing his stuff. I've been just pissing him off with the elephants, but again, Chase is going to make his first plunge in, and the majority of this fight goes on in here. It's really not anything super special, but archers are just going crazy. Oh gosh dang it. So this side looks like this the whole game. Larry with those trebs, man. Buying the win. And it looks like they're doing pretty good, really. So we haven't seen Jono at all yet. Wonder when he's going to start, because Jono's pushing out troops. They're just not moving forward yet. I keep flagging back here. Oh, they're expanding. They've made a custom trade route. Of course you made a custom trade route, you hoes. So Sam's pushed them back. Sam's done what any good siege lover does. And that's just turn it and create a death zone. On the other side, these tribes are just eating away at this, but it made zero difference. We didn't do anything with it. And this is just a back and forth over here. Chase did a great job of keeping me just at bay. Oh, they've pulled up. They got rid of one of Larry's castles. You getting rid of a second one? They're gonna get it? Looks like they're gonna get it. They got 2 of Larry's castles. They're pushing. So Larry had to be pretty nervous at this point. Third castle down. How did they... Okay. So Austin's going over here. So Austin got like 3 horses back. This looks like a pretty solid death blow, really. I'm surprised that I'm amazed that they came back from that. Because this looks like a fallen base to me. A fallen front, at least. No, but this is what happens right here. Lost the castle. Larry is so stupid rich. Except for gold. He does not have enough gold. He's also not built all of his houses. And John's pushing another swoop in, but they stop. It's not where you want them to stop. You want them to keep on running. Ugh. So it's just going crazy. As we see, I've tried cutting a little bit more. We're still just kind of holding. Man, if I could have just gotten right there, I think that I'd have been so much happier. But no, it didn't happen. Because Tanner's an idiot. Ugh. Austin's doing it. That's a pretty solid run right there. It keeps running. I don't know, he just stops in the back. Still, there's a lot of carnage going on. It's just back and forth, back and forth. This might be death blow zone. I can't tell. Oh, no, this isn't death blow zone. But this might be the time that Chase runs all the way down. Yeah, so Chase is going to push a whole bunch of these guys through. Yep. Chase does a plunge. This is the start of the end, I would say. He runs them right over to there. Gets them right into a base and says, oh, I'm going to just hang out right here. Kaput. We're going to just go crazy and eat up all your villagers as fast as I can. And there's another group right there. So he does it twice. Boom, boom. Now he's in the trade like crazy. And then I click my bow. Because I'm not even looking at this. And he's still got troops all over right in here. And it works out. In the meantime, the fight continues. On the other side, Larry is coming back. We've got another castle here. He's rebuilt his forward stuff. You ever have those games where you just feel like you didn't do enough? That's how I feel about this game. This is the bad push. Chase is going to get a whole bunch of these. Oh, maybe not. Oh, he's going to just leave those guys there. That wasn't a bad idea. So Chase does another plunge. On the other side, Jono's trying his darndest to get those guys up there. But they just kind of get to right here and just get eaten up.